Hey guys, and today I show how Thank God by Travis Scott was made on the FL Studio. Thank God was produced by Kanye West, BoogzDaBeast, Ritter, FNZ, WondaGurl, and Travis Scott. So let's get into the first melody. I took Bell from Omnisphere and then some flanger, echo, radiator, delay, and ProQ. How you can see we have identical bass and so much accurate brass. For this like a black sound, I'm reversed to bells. And last one for this part, identical to weight effects. For this melody I took GPA 8 and SQ80 of Arturo. And for slide effect I use one-shot bass. This part started with strings. I made some distortion, RC20, raw vinyl, vintage XR, and ProQ. Then I'm create piano melody. And what we have airway and bass. Now let's get into the drums. How you can see we have identical snare. And identical hi-hat. For this part, pick it up CS80 and Mini V. Next one is so much accurate pad. And last one is new airway pattern. For outro chop bell with big reverb. And last one, I'm create strings melody. FLP and stamps you can find on my Patreon. Thanks for watching and see you next time.